Hello, this is a tutorial of the mod I made for RimWorld 3D. And sorry for my English. Other times I use AI to translate the videos, but this time you can enjoy my beautiful voice. So you can hate me in the comments also if you want for my bad pronunciation and the words I will invent. And that are welcome. Okay, let's start with 0. With the button 0, you can switch the 3D mode to the 2D mode. With the keyboard ASDW, you can move the camera. If you put shift, you can move faster. And with the mouse wheel, you can go up, down. And if you put shift and the mouse wheel, you can do this. Okay, also you can click the mouse wheel and do this. Okay, more things. The object configuration, we are going to configure object. This mini menu is for if you want to put the objects plane or in cube, or for example, if you want to have a content match for plan, you can see all the plans go plane, and you can put no plane, yes plane, blah blah blah, and you can make cube. Okay, but in this case I don't want this, so I remove it. I will remove this also to make the test. Okay, if I come back, you see that it's restored because I deleted. So the thing, the thing we are going to make is first. Well, I will put this with this. I recommend you, if you want to create an object, the first thing is make one like this, other like this, other like this, and other like this. Then you go to the 3D mode, click on the object, and add selected. We'll make it cube. Okay. Here we have the cube menu, and this menu have a lot of options, but the thing is, this is for control the 8. You can see that nothing happened, but because you need to refresh, okay? But you can also refresh constant to make the change appear at the moment you make it. But this is for top-down object, okay? But if we want to edit these ones, then you need to click here, and then you can see how you are modifying now that left and right objects, okay? So this refresh constant, I recommend use it only in maps like selvatic maps or things like that, because otherwise will be a problem, maybe lag. So it's for that. But usually you can edit the object in a desert like this and you don't have that problems, okay? So the rest of the options is these are the pieces like base, down, right. Okay, base is this one, these ones, and down wall is these ones, on the right and the left walls, okay? So for example, if I modify the down wall, that is this one, for top down, you can see that for example, I can modify the width or the position, this position. Okay, well, I can move with this. Okay, I can put here, for example, and as you can see, all the geometry will be edited for the top and the down piece at the same time, and happen the same with left and right. If I put left and right and move something about the position or the width or anything is moved at the same time, but the textures of the things are different for every part. For example, if I want to edit this texture, then it's top down and it's the down texture. So if I put here, okay, I get the mistake that always is not the down, is the top, but never mind. This texture, you move it with this, okay? So you can maybe put other texture, like, I don't know, this one, for example, and I make the zoom, I leave this, for example. If I want to edit this one, then I do this, and then is this one, okay? So the texture is unique for every piece, and you can switch the top-down object or the left-right object, and then the left texture or the right texture object. But the geometry is shared between the top-down and the left-right objects, okay? So this is all. Okay, let's, this is if you want to save, no. Okay, let's keep seeing other things. The map mountains, okay. The map mountains are these mountains that you can edit here. The base 8 is the 8 where the mountain start. I don't recommend to touch that. And the 8 is the 8 of the mountain. This thing take a considerable amount of time. So if you have few mountains in the map, it will go well, but if you have a lot of mountains, can take a lot of time. So have that in count. Take that in count because yeah. Okay, let's see more things. The border mountains. You can select here the 8 or the polygon count. Okay, and the other things are less important, are the 8 from where start or the distance to the map. If you enter a new map and you have previous mountains of the other map, you need to click on randomize, and then the mountains will be good other time. Okay, if you have the problems that the mountains are not in the right position. Okay, fire options. This is to put effects particle system to the fire Unity particle system, so you can switch on or off. And also for other kind of fires, this is easy. Okay, post-processing, here you can touch post-processing. You can play with these values, okay, as you want. Okay, weather layer, this is for the weather, and I don't recommend to touch it. In the future, I will maybe make better weather, like particles, because now when you move the camera looks weird, but it's okay. You can also, so I don't recommend to touch all these things. I need to make this for snow. That mean that you can make the snow in the floor refresh often or less often, because can have problems of lag and these kind of things if you put very very fast refresh rate, because the game refreshed it every frame, but in 3D mode can be a problem. So if you switch if you have problems of lag with the snow, then you can switch this off and that's it, or upper this thing. If you go to the 2D all the time, then you must have no problems with the snow. And also is a thing that don't affect to the gameplay or something. It's only a visual thing. Okay, the transition effect, this is the effect that the camera make when you go to the 3D or not, you know, this like blurring effect, like all Mario's effect. This is, you can activate or deactivate here, and also the time. Well, this is things of the camera, and this is the view distance that can be interesting to improve the game if you have lag or something. And also this is very similar. Okay, this thing I will remove it because it's not used anymore, so it's not important. This is not important also. It's like curiosity more than something useless. Useful. This is for this enable plant shader fix. This is something that I need to do to fix the shader of the plants. I can show you. Yeah, here these plants usually with the original shader of the game have a glitch, so I need to make the my own shader, and it's activate here. So if you deactivate it, you come back to the original shader of the game, okay, and you need to restart the game to make this. And this shader is also in 2D mode enabled, so is the few things that are enabled in 2D and 3D mode. So it's like that. It's because the original camera with perspective have this glitch, so I need to make that. Okay, the Skybox settings. This is to touch the Skybox. Here you can select all different Skybox. Okay, I will show you how to put in other Skybox because this is not working, I think, anymore, because work for me in local, but I think will not work. So I will show you how to make that now in a moment. I will finish off explain all these things, and I will tell you how to put other skyboxes. Here you can play with the values like the vertical position and other things. Here is to don't enable the game to control the skybox, because if you activate then skybox move with the time of the game. Okay, default settings, I don't recommend to touch it because it's an old thing that is not useful now. So if you want to come back to defaults, the better thing you can do is click on load settings, and that's it. Or you can delete the settings and then re-enter, and you will have the original settings of the mod. That's it. That is the settings that is saved on the preset folder. Okay, so now I will show you, I think it's all. I will show you how to put these new skyboxes. You can go here, open folder, and then in this folder you can go to resource, skies, and put here the skies. You have that skies in the GitHub. So that's the thing. So that's all, and thank you very much for see the video and subscribe, because in the future I will make more mods and more things, very interesting things, and you will like. So I recommend you to subscribe. So thanks, bye bye.